Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Coming at you again. Hey guys, today I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. Today we're going to do some good old-fashioned, I'm going to do turkey wings and turkey legs. But we're going to do them in the power pressure cooker. This will be my first time doing that. And I hope it turns out great. It should. Everything else I cook in here, it turns out really great. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And let's get started with some turkey wings and legs. I'm going to start here with my supporting cast. And no, these are not pterodactyl wings and legs. So these are turkey legs, much bigger than your regular chicken. And I haven't seen any that are this big yet. I got these at my local Preston Safeway, which is I think just local to here. Maybe other parts of the United States, but anyway, supporting cast, my turkey, which is I got one leg and I got two wings that I'm going to put in the pressure cooker. That's going to pretty much fill it up. And then I'm going to do, of course, black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt, some garlic powder, some lye seasoning salt. I got some crushed red pepper, paprika, garlic. I got 2 onions cut up, French onion soup in a can. I also got some bay leaves here. And then here's the mystery thing, some mustard here. And also, I'm going to put in probably two cups of chicken broth. The other thing we're going to add is some cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, just to add to the gravy a little bit. But that's all the ingredients, guys. So other than that, let's get started with this. So the very first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to smother my turkey here in mustard. And no, this is not going to make the mustard or make the turkey taste like mustard. It's just another element, and it also allows some of the seasonings to stick a little bit better. So I'm just going to take it and smear it in here real good, all over it. So don't be afraid that it's mustard and it's going to taste like mustard. So we're going to do that. I got my leg done here. Let me go to work on one of my wings. Just going to smear it in there real good. Also, if you didn't know, there's vinegar in mustard, so it's also going to help tenderize them a little bit. Put this one over here, and let's get started on this other one. These are some big wings. Alright, we're just going to add this to the wing here. There we go. 2 wings, 1 leg. All smothered up there. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to season this. And this is a lot of meat, guys, so we're going to season this really generously. So I don't want to hear in the comments, oh, it's too much sodium, it's too much this. We're going to season these generously. So I'm going to start with my pink Himalayan sea salt on one of these. Then I'm going to add my garlic powder, my black pepper. Then I'm going to add some seasoning salt to it. And I'm going to pat this in. Then I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Pink Himalayan sea salt. My Lowry seasoning here. Make sure you get it all over the place. A little garlic powder. Some black pepper. And there we go with that one. So I'm going to do my other 2 pieces. Come back to you and show you at the pressure cooker. Right, so I got my my turkey seasoned up there. So I'm over here at the pressure cooker. Got it all in there. I told you it's going to fill it up. Next thing I'm going to add is my onions. That's 2 whole onions, just roughly cut. And then to that I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. There's 1. Now these are 2 small ones, so I'm adding 3. And then I'm going to add a heaping generous tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm going to add, first off, my French onion soup. Then we're going to add the cream of mushroom soup. Get it all out here. This smells great already. And then we're going to add my cream of chicken soup. Alright, let's get it all out of there. A little stubborn. There we go. Next thing we're going to add is a dash of paprika. I wish I had smoke, but I didn't have any smoke. A little bit of paprika there. And we're going to add a little bit for heat, crushed red pepper. Just a little bit. Last thing we're going to add is my 2 cups of chicken broth. There we go. Now, last but not least, I'm going to add just a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt over the top and a little bit of garlic powder over the top. Alright guys, simple as that. It's a very simple meal. So, let's go ahead and put the top on, as always, on the pressure cooker. And we're going to lock it down, line up the line and the arrow here. Alright guys, so there's a lot of meat in this pressure cooker. So let's just be honest, it's going to take about an hour to cook. So I'm going to hit the meat chicken button, increment it to high, and I'm going to bring it up to 50 minutes. If it needs an extra 10 minutes or so, I'll redo it. I'll put it on for another 10 minutes. But right now we're going to shoot, you know what, I'm going to put it on for an hour. I just believe these are bigger than anything else I've ever cooked in here. So we're going to leave it for an hour. It's going to start going around and around, building pressure here just about now. And I'll be back in about 30 seconds according to YouTube time, but real time is going to take an hour to cook this. It's been a full hour. The turkey has been in the pressure cooker for a whole hour. And I want you to look at this. Look at this. I'm just barely squeezing. Look how that is falling off the bone. Look at this turkey leg. Alright, so what I've done is I've turned the pressure cooker on, just on the sear mode, and I got all this gravy in here. And I'm going to thicken it up with a little bit of a cornstarch slurry, which is nothing but equal, well, it's not equal part, but it is got about half a cup of water and about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So once it starts bubbling, which is already done, pour in my slurry and keep stirring this around. It should get a little thicker. There we go. Now if it doesn't get quite the thickness that I want, then I'll go ahead and add some more to it. But I'll let this start to bubble and you'll see it start to thicken up. See if it's getting to the consistency that I want. Not quite there. I'm going to add about another teaspoon of cornstarch and water. Make sure that the water is cold when you start to make your slurry, otherwise it'll clump up on you. You got to mix it in a container separate than the hot broth that you're putting it in. There we go, a little bit of gravy there. Let that thicken up, that should be good. Yeah, you can see it starting to get thick. Ooh, Lord. Gonna be some good eating tonight. Turkey leg in a pressure cooker, a little dressing, corn, a little tomato, farm-raised tomato. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. But there you go, quick, easy meal. Takes about an hour in the pressure cooker, but oh so worth the time. Turkey wings and turkey legs in the power pressure cooker turned out just like I thought. It's tender as heck. And you know I'm waiting for this bite. No knife, required. Oh man, this is absolutely wonderful. Let me get a bite of the stuffing. I think I'm close to heaven. But hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and try it. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.